So like I said, it's not all bubbles and cookies over here in Japan. Check this out. This temple got burnt down the other day. A couple of my boys were in the neighborhood. I'll tag on some video of the flames ripping it up. It's got that smell too. Not nice. We'll go around the front and shoot it from there. That is a mess. Poor bastards. Ugh. Oh man, that just sucks. Look at that beautiful architecture. There's a big old bell. Yikes. Okay, we're getting called. Get the hell out. There we go. So the ume no hana, the plum flowers, have turned into plums. Amazing how God works. Thanks, God. It's so sweet just walking around the neighborhoods. I see this beautiful Dr. Zeus tree, and I realize it's in front of another, I don't know if temple or shrine. Look at that. There's always a stillness around the shrines and temples. It's sacred, of course. So Anthony's doing some garden work. I'm like, dude, how do they get two colors out of one plant? Let alone the third color over there. Gorgeous. Azalea. Kind of cool, this crossing. Oh, there's a train coming in, actually. These will light off. Ring, ring, ring. Is that coming?
Why is that train getting bigger?
You know how many deaths are in Japan due to fucking with trains? None.
That's not true. That's not.
Save me, Anthony, save me! So Anthony was just admiring this very normal house. A little bit of sweet tile work. Modest garden and a brick gate. Might be unoccupied. 1 in 7 are in Japan. That's what I heard. Fact check. There's a lovely display.
Damn, son, is that your train log?
As promised, the carp flags are out. Boys' Day incoming.
Look at that monster.
Toad?
Oh,
Spider?
Dude, that's a spider, man. Look at that. The size comparison. I got big hands too.
He did. This cool old shed, and then the rock wall attached to it. Legitimate. These tiles. Don't touch me again. Beautiful old courtyard for the family. Look at the fucking wall though. Bigger, chunkier rocks, mostly volcanic down here, and fieldy stone there. Oh, beautiful. Just ripping on this guy's up at the Needle at the top of the hill, but look at this. Yeah, in Oakamoto, the infamous purse snatching motorcyclists. How old is that?
It looks at least
20 years. There's no purse snatchers in Oakamoto
anymore. We killed them all.
cool little family-owned conveni rice sake beer in the hood. Because, you know, you don't want to go into town, which is just down the hill.
Say it with me, folks. Japanese bodega.
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 It's nice. Up in the hills,
Oh,
north.
Can you smell that jasmine?
North of the last train line. Okay, it's kind of cool. Empty lot way up here in the hills, and you know this land is going for a pretty penny. Why this empty lot? Anthony sells it. We're going up to a house that's 200 years old. We'll have to check that out. He apparently owns this vacant lot too. I'll get ghosty in here. Some oranges. Sweet. So here's the 200-year-old house. You want to have a look? Wish you could smell it. And you were saying that this is the outer gate?
This is just the gate, actually. So you can see those two windows there. There's two like storage facilities. Here's the main entrance. And then you go through there, and it's like a path, garden, you know, and then it has the house, which I think you can see the house if you look from this angle. This is also an old
Oh yes.
telephone pole.
Wow.
That they kept up.
Kept it.
Yeah, right next to the new one made of concrete or whatever. Yeah.
We'll go around the other side and see if we can zoom in. Not see if you can. The big tree in the back there is apparently still part of the property, so it is looking like it's quite long. So there seems to be a newer house in the front here, and then the.
No, that's the house. This is just the gate. That's the house itself.
Yep. So I'm asking that, how did you know about this place? He said my company was hired to shoring down that tree, and look at this.
Look at that tree dick.
Tree
Big
dick.
old tree nuts.
Pretty sweet though. Little bamboo in the back.
So this is also his. This guy also belongs to that old house. Probably around the same.
What is that?
Go smell flower. Smell good. Called Fuji. That's all.
And it was a vine.
It's a vine. Look at it. Look at it hanging from the sky.
It smelled divine.
I smelled divine. He smelled divine.
You smell it? Very sweet. Almost butter smell.
It's like a jasmine-y, like jasmine tea, not like jasmine. You know what I mean? There's a difference.
Okay, thanks, Gardner. Cool little back alley route we took, and these things are everywhere. Again, coming down the mountain is water. Find a beautiful spot for it. And so quiet with the water sound. Beautiful. Beauty tree to the point where it's built into the wall. Nice.